Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the STL files that are needed to use the 3D printer. First off, you need a desktop computer to do this. You cannot do this on your iPad. I have laptop computers in the back of the room in a rolling cart. So grab one of those. Do take note of what computer you use. You want to use the same computer if possible each time. So first off, you need to log into the computer. Your password and username are the same as Skyward or Canvas. You're then going to hit this symbol in the lower left corner and type Chrome, C-H-O-R-M-E, and open the Chrome browser. There also should be a shortcut too. Next, you're going to go to your Onshape account. So I would just start Onshape login, hit enter, then click on this topmost one, should work. Click sign in to sign into your account, and then hopefully you remember the email and password you used when creating your account. If not, you may need to use this forgot your password function. So your email you shouldn't have, but maybe your password you did forget. And then sign in. I don't have it saved my password, so I'll say never on that. Next, you're going to open up your puzzle assembly. It should be the last thing opened by you. If not, you'll need to go within the folder where you saved it. So find that file that has your 4-part assembly. You're going to want to make sure that you choose Part Studio 1 down here, not the Assembly tab. So click on that tab if it isn't already highlighted. And then down here in the lower left, you should have your 4 parts that you created. Choose each of these parts. You're then going to do a right-click on a mouse if you're using a mouse. Otherwise, there is a button underneath the touch pad on the laptop computer. So closest to you, there's a touchpad, and there'll be a button in the bottom right that acts like a mouse. So you'll do a right click on it and then say export. You're then going to give this a name that makes sense. So for instance, your name. So Capert's Puzzle, for instance. The first time that you use this, it probably won't come up as STL. It'll be a different file type that it defaults to. So do this drop down, choose STL, and then you want to download and hit OK. Alright, that concludes this video. In the next video tutorial, I'll show you how to prepare these files within the Cura 3D printing software. Please let me know if you have any questions.